wiping MacBook Air clean, it's actually using high serial, just wiping it clean to like factory reset format. Okay, so it can be applied to any MacBook, usually any MacBook, yeah, as long as it's an Apple MacBook product or iMac or whatever you have, it should work. So anyway, this is for MacBook Air, Syria and Apple products. So what I want you to avoid is like being impatient when you actually go through your whole process. Don't touch your keyboards, don't touch your power button. You can touch your trackpad and your mouse, but don't try to click anything unless you need to. And please do have good internet connection and do your research beforehand. So there are references from Apple support, official video and official website link and some relevant videos. Okay, so this is actually the MacBook Air. It's using high serial and it's actually based on 2014 early part of the year model. So it uses Core i5, Intel Core i5 and 4 gig memory. That's not very important, but okay, let's go on. So I had a problem where I encountered error 2100F, and if I remember correctly, it was basically a spinning globe over here, and it didn't. This spinning globe and the loading bar just kept going on, and like after 1 hour, it just frustratingly it popped up a message saying this error 2100F. So I just Googled and it said that you have poor internet connection, but I had a LAN cable attached and it was working fine, so I just forced shut down and restarted the whole thing again. And I tried a different command, Shift Command R. I used Command R. I used Shift Command R first and then I restarted using Command R. So trying either of this is fine. Yeah. Okay, so basically what I did for my whole wipe was basically 1 hour research and 3 hours is 3 hours wipe and installation and then personalization after the installation of the serial high serial again. So I'll just play a video of that. So okay, when you switch on the computer, you can either press Command R or Shift Command R, and then once this spinning globe appears or an Apple logo appears, you can actually just release your keyboard keys and just let it do its task. So this was supposedly like showing like, I'm not sure, 1 hour estimation of 1 hour waiting, but obviously they wouldn't put it like 1 hour, they just put it like 1 hour 30 instead of 1 hour waiting time. Yeah, just so that you can please your customers better. So after that, once you've gone past this stage, and it will actually show macOS utilities and this utility. So you see the second option where you say reinstall macOS. You want to do that later, not now. So we click on this utility, and for my current situation, it was actually showing this screen. I took a photo using my phone. It was using OS based system, as you can see here. Do not touch this. What you want to erase is the internal Macintosh HD, always the Macintosh HD. You can see that it used 200 gig, but all these were practically, I would say, system files and all the junk, because I extracted all my documents already, and yeah, basically the computer was literally empty. So you just go ahead and click that erase button on top. It will give you a message saying do you want to erase and like which format type you want to erase. Format type, you just use APFS or the one they give you, because it's just fixed to your computer. So if they don't give you any other options, then just click erase. If they do, just check again which format type you use, and usually for newer computers you use APFS. Okay, so this they will show this after the Macintosh HD is erased. You can just skip this slide. Do not touch this OS based system. This is like the fundamentals foundation for your Mac computer. You erase this, your whole computer is gone. You have to wait until you can go to an Apple store and reboot your computer. So we go back and close the window like over here. Then you should get back to this page. You should just click reinstall macOS over here, and then you click and like continue. You should get to this page. In any case, if you use Syria, then your previous OS was Syria, you should be using Syria. If you are using High Syria, you're using High Syria. If you are using like Catalina, you should be using Catalina here. And it's just reinstallation of what you did. So, what OS you use. So, but in the case, it's not reinstalling a new version of macOS. It's reinstalling a new copy of macOS. So version is like an upgrade. So the upgrade you have to do it within the App Store and download the upgrade, and then you'll restart the whole computer with a new version of macOS. In this case, it's not the version, it's just a copy. So you need internet connection for this, and throughout the whole process you should have like a LAN cable, wired cable if possible. If not, just get a reliable Wi-Fi signal. Okay, then you just click agree and agree for everything, and then you have to click your Macintosh hard disk. So you just click this and you can see shaded, and you just click next, install, and you choose your country region. Yeah, this can be changed later on also. You click continue. The keyboard layout can be changed later on also, so you just continue, and yeah, just continue also. Okay, this is not very compulsory. Actually, I check this box because I do not use iCloud Drive, so I actually uncheck this box. I'm pretty sure you can actually check this box later on within system preferences. So you click continue, continue, and I actually turn on my file vault disk encryption and allow my iCloud Drive to unlock my disk. Technically, iCloud Drive is like safer. You can uncheck this also, but you can turn on file vault description. Yeah, it's entirely your choice. Yeah, you can do your own research and some questions on Google or the internet. Continue. Okay, so after that, it will load to this page where you actually enter your own password and ID and whatever. And then this is what I want to show you, where actually I cleared up quite a bit of my junk from like I use 224 somewhere there gigabytes. So yeah, it cleaned up quite a lot for me, and I'm very happy I like did this wipe, because yeah, basically all the junk are gone. So again, I just want to warn you, avoid your impatience, and just have a good internet, have good research, and like have good support from Apple. And yeah, I'm going to show you a page on Apple support. Okay, so other than that, you can search your relevant videos as well, like including this one. And I have other videos available. So I did one on MacBook Pro. I wiped it clean and then upgrade to Mojave. So when you just search Mac wipe on like the internet or Google, it's basically like wiping your whole hard disk. And yeah, so I think you know why you want to erase your disk array, so I wouldn't say this. Yeah, so as I said earlier on, the format is APFS if your computer is newer, and older models will probably be MacOS journal extended or something like that. Yeah, it's stated here. That's for the older computer. So all this is covered here already. Yeah. So this is the link, and yeah, you can actually, Apple support is pretty good. It's just that they didn't include any videos, so there's no like step-by-step guide. And yeah, I couldn't actually record my own screen. I wish I could, but I I didn't have the chance to. Yeah, cause I'm just using one computer. That's all. So uh, that's all. And thank you guys. If you like have any queries, just put in the comments and um, email me, or like just um, if you have any like questions, you can refer to my other videos as well, where I actually do a clean wipe and upgrade to Mojave for MacBook Pro, and it's actually a 2012 model. It's not a newer version. The newer model is actually an older model, but I did it successfully, and I did Bootcamp also. So yeah, you can play around, but just be on the safe side. See you guys.